Hey guys, Min here. So my battery's having issues because check this out. Look at that. There is a crack here on the terminal. So I'm go ahead and go and replace this. So, all right, let's get started. Yeah! Car's back alive! Woohoo! Alright. So that's it. It's that simple. That's how easy it is to fix your connector for the battery. I had to go through a few of them because I had to find the right one that will fit my particular setup. But once you find the right one, it's really simple. It's under $10 and yep, that's it. Alright, I hope this was helpful to you guys. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you next time. Bye! Yeah, I'll let it run a little bit just so that, you know, it'll charge up and I'll put all the rest of the stuff back. Oh.